Dear learners, today we will discuss about kinetic molecular theory of gas. The kinetic molecular theory of gas comes from observations that scientists made about gases to explain their macroscopic properties. Let's see one by one. We have seen the various properties of various states of matter. In that we have seen that comparative to solid, liquid and gases are made up of large amount of particles and all these particles are quite spread very far apart. There is no attraction between gas particles and thus they won't form any kind of accumulation. So as to understand this, let's focus on the internal structure of solid. If you are observing the internal structure of solid, then every individual molecule that constituent your solid, that is arranged in a particular order. They are having definite proportion between them. They are having some kind of attraction between them, and that attraction holds them quite together. Rather than solid, when it comes about liquid, then they are not having any kind of shape and they can occupy the shape of the container in which you are storing it. So the number of particles within your liquid phase are quite spread rather than your solid. And when it comes about the gases, then you can easily observe that whatever number of particles that are the constituent of your gas, that are spread wide apart from one another, and this is possible only because of the force of attraction that lies within two particles in case of solid and liquid, that is very negligible in case of gases. The next part, when it comes about kinetic molecular theory of gas, is the movement. The particles which are occupied within the particular space or closed container, all these particles are in rapid random motion. They tend to undergo movement in a particular order, and that order is in straight line. Every molecule of gas while moving is travels in a straight line, and this movement continues until they collide with another body. If you are dealing with two gas molecules and they are moving in a rapid random motion, that movement is subjected to undergo in a straight line direction, and when they undergo collision with one another, they will change their direction and again they will travel in a same path as in straight line. When these particles moves across the container, the collision between them, when they two strikes on one another, the collision between them won't affect anyhow on their kinetic energy, and that this collision is completely elastic in nature. As you are observing on your display, the molecules are moving in rapid random motion, and as they are moving in rapid random motion, they are colliding with one another, but it is not affecting their speed. This collision is not affecting the kinetic energy which they have occupying so as to move in a container. So when it comes about their movement, you can observe that the collision between this molecule is perfectly elastic, as they are not having any kind of attraction between them. They are moving wide apart from one another, and when they are striking on the wall of container, again they are changing their directions and moving to the second direction in a straight line order without having any kind of impact on their kinetic energy. This was about kinetic molecular theory of gases. Thank you.